Welcome back to Decor, your home for vintage decor inspiration. Today, we're giving every room in the house a stunning shabby chic makeover. If you love soft pastels, distressed furniture, and elegant antique accents, this transformation is for you. Stay tuned for beautiful decor ideas that will bring timeless charm to your home. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with your favorite shabby chic piece. Let's get started. Our shabby chic living room is all about creating a cozy and inviting space. We start with a soft neutral color palette, think creamy whites, blush pinks, and faded blues. A distressed wood coffee table adds rustic charm, while vintage-inspired floral cushions bring a delicate touch. We finish off with an antique chandelier for that perfect glow. This is a space where comfort meets timeless beauty. The bedroom is the heart of relaxation, and a shabby chic makeover enhances that dreamy atmosphere. We're layering soft, ruffled bedding in muted tones and adding an ornate vintage headboard. Delicate lace curtains filter in gentle light, creating a serene and romantic feel. A weathered vanity table with a gilded mirror completes the look, making the space feel effortlessly elegant. For the kitchen, we embrace a charming cottage feel with open shelving, displaying beautiful vintage dishware. Whitewashed cabinets, floral teapots, and delicate lace table runners make this space feel warm and inviting. A rustic farmhouse table, paired with mismatched antique chairs, adds character and charm. Every detail is thoughtfully placed to create a timeless, lived-in aesthetic. A shabby chic dining room is all about elegance with a hint of nostalgia. A distressed wood dining table sets the foundation, adorned with a delicate lace tablecloth and vintage candelabras. Soft pastel china and crystal glassware elevate the setting, making every meal feel special. A classic sideboard with antique decor pieces ties the entire room together beautifully. Even the bathroom can embrace shabby chic charm. A clawfoot tub instantly becomes the centerpiece, surrounded by soft, floral wallpaper for a feminine touch. A vintage-style vanity with ornate details and a gilded mirror enhances the timeless appeal. We finish off with delicate hand towels and fresh flowers for a spa-like retreat that feels effortlessly elegant. A shabby chic home office should be a place of inspiration and creativity. A distressed wooden desk paired with a vintage chair creates a cozy work environment. Soft pastel stationery, antique bookends, and a floral rug add warmth and personality. With an ornate lamp casting a gentle glow, this workspace is as beautiful as it is functional. The entryway is the first thing guests see, so let's make it inviting. A whitewashed console table with antique accents sets the tone, while a weathered coat rack adds function with charm. A vintage mirror reflects soft light, making the space feel open and airy. To complete the look, a woven basket filled with fresh blooms brings a welcoming touch. Shabby Chic extends beyond the home and into the garden. A wrought iron bistro set with floral cushions creates the perfect spot for morning coffee. String lights and lanterns add a magical glow in the evening. With distressed planters overflowing with roses and lavender, this outdoor space becomes a tranquil vintage paradise. Shabby Chic Decor is all about the details. We're adding vintage picture frames, distressed trays, and delicate porcelain figurines to complete each room. Soft, flowing curtains, layered rugs, and handmade doilies add texture and depth. It's these small touches that bring warmth, personality, and that signature timeless charm to your home. And that wraps up our Shabby Chic every room makeover. From the cozy living room to the romantic bedroom, we've added soft vintage touches to create a timeless home. Which makeover was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more vintage decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!